yeah, starting the day. Let's get on it.
I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light goes back my head, get up and play, 'cause you never feel this way.
Welcome back to Dan's Hangout Garage. Gonna do a long intro?
Well, yeah, I gotta do the intro. Get to work.
Well, hopefully you checked out Stylyfe designs from my last video. If you haven't, check them out. I'm gonna link the description, and I'm gonna link his Facebook in the description, and possibly his website. I've been talking to the owner. He's been wanting to go ahead and bring his car down for us to work on. Maybe we'll get an interview with him and cool stuff. I mean, come on, check out some of these shirts that he's done. You know, you want a custom design, send him what you want. He'll put it on a t-shirt, send it to you. Hopefully, eventually, maybe we'll get a promo code going and go from there. We don't know. I got to keep talking with the guy. So today we are going to work on getting the side glass out of this thing, the 74 Volkswagen Baja. So yeah, let's get going. All right, just like we did with the rear window, we're going to cut this seal all the way around. Don't forget to check out Stylyfe. Of course, I'm taking off the sticker now since taking out the glass. But again, we're just going to take our salt knife here and we're just going to start in one of the corners. Just go straight up and just work ourselves all the way around. You can see this car used to be blue. Now that we got it cut, we can just get in here, hopefully without breaking it. There you go. There's one. Let's go put this up so it don't get broken. Remember, check out Stylyfe. Now, since we got the glass out, we're going to finish removing the seal. Oh, had a little rust damage there, not too bad. So, yeah, let's move on to the other side. Alright, well, we got the passenger side done. We're going to speed this one up a little bit. It's the same concept. So we're going to go ahead and cut the seal out, get this one out. And we're going to wait on the front windshield right now because I'd like to have somebody else here to help me push that one out. And I still got to remove the wiper arms and stuff like that. So, all right, ready for the time lapse or sped up? Let's get it going. Well, you don't put stuff on the hood or the top of a car sometimes because it likes to roll. Woo! Popped out a little bit better than I thought it was going to. Alright, so we got that one out. Gotta remove the seal, the rest of the seal. There we go. So, best way, I think, to remove the glass on these things. That way now we can clean them up. We can get in here, sand everything, get this thing ready for paint, find any more, hopefully not more rust, but I know there's going to be. So, alright. Well, hopefully that helps you when removing your glass on your Volkswagen Baja, whatever you got. We're going to end this video right here, but remember to check out Stylyfe if you need some custom t-shirts. We'll get this going. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, share, hook me up, give me a thumbs up. Looking for that help. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll hope to see you every Thursday. Catch y'all later.